Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain why Streamlit need to use for the web development and why Streamlit not to use for the web development. Let's start. In which all scenario you can use a Streamlit framework for the web development. Very first point is, if you want to use Streamlit, then only Python knowledge is required. You don't need any knowledge of the web technologies such that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ReactJs, AngularJS, VUE.js, or MVC, ASP.NET. No prior development knowledge is required when you want to use Streamlit. The second one is, this is a complete web development open source framework. This is complete framework of web development. That means you need to write all your content of the web in Python script, and the Python script internally manage all HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So Streamlit created a complete framework for the web development, and this is owned by Apache and it's free, no charge. The third option is rapid development of web app. With Streamlit, with very few line of code, you can have a web application. Your data script converted to interactive report. The fourth one is easy to deploy ML model, display BI report, or I'll say that this is very fast way to develop data app. What do you mean by data app? Or display BI report or ML model. So basically Streamlit is for the data analytics. So if you have any model or you have a report you want to display in a graph manner, bar chart, there are pie chart, there are many different way of reporting, and Streamlit will give you a lot of flexibility to display all the data with minimal line of code. It's very easy to have. I'll show you in upcoming videos how you can view Excel data or pie chart, bar chart, or a different kind of report in upcoming videos. I will show you with 4-5 lines, 6 lines. You can easily show the reports. Fifth one is compatible with all Python libraries such that pandas, numpy and all those things. So this is what I can say, that in this scenario you can use Streamlit. So another option is when not to use Streamlit. Suppose you have a requirement to have an interactive web application, multiple page, lot of CRUD operation. You take an example of Amazon website, Flipkart, Mantra. Better not to use Streamlit. That is pure web development, web app. So in that case Streamlit will not work out. And another case, when developer want complete control to developer, in that case also better not to use Streamlit. You can use multiple web technologies like Angular, React, Vue, MVC, ASP.NET MVC, ASP.NET. In Java also is there, PHP, anything you can use for the web development. It takes more time for the development, but you will have a lot of flexibility, a lot of control on your web application. So these are all the things I wanted to speak in this video. The next part is I want to show you how you can install Streamlit, and I will show you first app in Streamlit. Other point is Streamlit documentation. Okay, let's jump and show you how you can install Streamlit. The very first thing is Python must be installed. The second thing is you can open cmd command and pip install. I have already installed, that's the reason this is coming like this. If you have not installed, it will come properly. Let's now jump to Visual Studio, Visual Code, not Visual Studio, and I'll show you the first app. The very first thing is import Streamlit as st. This is you are importing all the library of Streamlit. The next line is st of this import title. If you are coming with the web development background, you must aware of title. Title is basically HTML title. Another one is st.write also. It will write the content to the web app. Let's run this application. In Visual Studio Code, it is little bit different. What you have to write, the command is python -m streamlit run, and then you have to give the Python file name. In other command, directly you have to do this streamlit run and the file name and press enter. You see this basically it's a local web server run, and you see this is here your first app is. The last thing is I wanted to show you this documentation of Streamlit. You can go through this. I will give the link in the video. Is the fast way to build and share data app, and you can see all these things, all the documentation provided by Streamlit. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, give a thumbs up.